The IBM PC 5150 was, amongst the IBM PC Junior, the only device in the IBM world to ever feature a DIN tape connector. While the only known software to be ever distributed by IBM on tape was the IBM Diagnostics, the question is, can I restore a copy of the Diagnostics tape to use it eventually on my 5150? Retrocomputing is the use of older computer hardware and software in modern times. I'm the Vintage Collector and these are my stories. While this connector was quite popular for 8-bit home computers at the time, IBM included it as a means for using cheap tape drives over the more expensive floppy disk drives. Although, in reality, most people buying the IBM PC would in fact get them with the floppy drives equipped in order to leverage the functionality of the IBM PC-DOS or CP/M. Nevertheless, WinWorld PC features a copy of the tape Diagnostics and I'm kind of keen of giving it a shot. But how to transfer it over? First, I had tried to record directly from my Mac onto this Tandy Radio Shack CCR81, though I was not overly satisfied with the audio quality, as we can hear from this distortion and increasing humming noise. One might think about, it's just binary data and it's sure we're gonna work out, but I think it's quite important to have the most clean and high quality transfer possible. So I went back to transfer the data via my hi-fi deck. And yes, upon direct comparison, it sounds a lot cleaner even when considering the subpar playback quality that the CCR81 offers. When doing this small restoration project, I suddenly got absorbed into it. I tore out the excess tape. Since the overall duration is only about 4 minutes, there's no need to keep all the tape in. So I just glued the shortened tape to the other end's tape leader. And while I was on it, I went down the route to also remake some nice labels which recapture the original likeness of the Diagnostics cassettes. I just added a small instruction cheat sheet to the right hand side which was not featured on the original tape labels. Furtherly, as there's 2 versions, the standard and the advanced Diagnostics available, I transferred one to side A and the other to side B of the tape. And all of this work only for an experiment that I won't be able to conclude, at least as long as the IBM 5150 is still inoperable. Of course, I can run the Diagnostics off a 5 1/4 inch floppy disk if I really need to, but I really want to try this out for pure curiosity, and I do hope that I can eventually show this to you. Stay tuned, and if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. See you next time.